Want to change your Discord username but can't find the option? In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to update your Discord username on your PC in less than a minute. First, open the Discord app on your computer by going Start menu and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Now, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open User Settings. In the My Account section, click the Edit User Profile or Edit button next to your profile information. Find the username field and type the new username you'd like to use. If your chosen username is available, you'll be able to continue. If it's already taken, try a different variation until you find one that's available. Once you're happy with your new username, click Save Changes. For security, Discord may ask you to enter your account password. Type your password and confirm the change. That's it. Your Discord username has now been updated successfully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Discord tips and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.